Hi my dearest traders, and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see you once again in today's new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be trading with technical analysis, but I'll be using the help of the iron indicator and try and find good entry points on the market today and hit my goal, which is around $10,000. Hopefully by the end of the video, you'll be liking my trading strategy and you can be able to use it, and also I hit my goal. So stay tuned until the end of the video. I'm inviting you to join my private chat in Telegram channel. Go under this video and find the link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team and I'll add to this private chat. And also don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video to your friends and family, and subscribing down below to my channel. So let me get started. So as you can see, this indicator is presented at the bottom of the screen and consists of a red line and a blue line. The red line is responsible for the downward trend and the blue line is responsible for the upward movement. So when the red line crosses the blue line from bottom up, we see that the price shows a decrease. That is, on such an intersection of lines, you can open a deal for a decrease. Next, as you can see, the blue line goes up and crosses the red line from bottom up. At the same time, you can see that the price is starting to move up, and on such a sliding intersection, you can open a trade for an increase. And as you can see, at the same time, in a situation with a trade, this indicator is not particularly informative since you can see multiple intersections between lines. We'll try and avoid such situations because they are not reliable and they're not obvious price movements. So these are the main points that we'll be needing today when trading. So let me find my first entry point and explain it to you. So here you can see that the price made the resistance and jumped down. In this situation, I'm going to open a deal for 2 minutes for a decrease, since as you can see in the indicator, there was a cross section of the sliding lines, which says that the price has a potential for a decrease. Also below, as you can see, is the area in which the price moved in the trade for some time, and before this area you can see that we still have enough space. Also, as you can see earlier, the price tried to break through the resistance level several times, but in the end it failed to do so and it showed a strong decline. So with a greater probability, the price will continue to move down in the near future. At such a decrease here, I'll try and earn very good profit. So let me see how this deal will close. Well, this is awesome, friends. As you can see, the price shows a slight decrease and the deal closes below the entry point. That's here I got a very good profit. As you can see, the indicator did not let me down and showed me a very good entry point for my first transaction. So let me continue and find more situations. So here you can see that the price is moving in the uptrend and at the moment it's going up. In this situation, I'm going to open a deal for an increase since the blue line goes up on the indicator. At the same time, even up to the maximum point on the chart, there is still a long distance. Also, as you can see earlier from this level, the price has already made a slope several times and now it's already showing a good growth. That is, all these movements indicate that the price has a good growth potential, and most likely in the near future, the price will continue to move up according to the rising trend. And also in this situation, I'm using 2 minutes with the margin, taking into account the possibility of the price rolling down. Let me wait for the end of this trade. This is awesome, friends. As you can see, the price shows a good growth and here I got a very confident plus. In this situation, the indicator was right again and told me a good entry point. It helped me earn very good profit. And 2 minutes was quite enough for this. Let me continue. So here you can see we have some kind of downfall near the support level. At the same time, at this moment, the price begins to move up. Also on the indicator, the blue line goes up. Also, as you can see earlier, the price moved down quite quickly, but recently the candles on the chart have become shorter and more green candlesticks have appeared. At the same time, the price manages to hold near the support level, and also now we already have an impulsive green candlestick. Therefore, most likely the price will continue to move up in the near future here, and at this growth we'll try and earn money. So let me wait for the results. This is awesome, friends. You can see that the price moves according to my scenario and shows a good growth. That's here I got a very confident plus. Also, the indicator helped me earn again in this situation. So I'm going to continue and find more trading situations. So guys, I have a private chat in Telegram channel where you can be able to use my trading signals to make very good profit and ask all your binary questions. If you'd like to join this private chat, write me with the code word money team to my personal account, and I'll be able to add you to this private chat, and you're able to use my trading signals, ask your binary questions, and interact with other members. So as you can see here, the price is moving along the downtrend, and at the moment red candlesticks are formed on the chart. Also the sliding ones intersect on the indicator. In this situation, I'm going to open a deal for a decrease since there is still enough space left to the minimum point on the chart. Also, as you can see below, the price mainly moves with red candlesticks and quite impulsively. That is, all this gives me an understanding that the price has a good potential for a decline, with a greater probability that the price will continue to move down to the descending trend. So let me see how this trade will close. This is great, friends. As you can see, the price shows a good decrease, and here I got a confident plus. That's my initial amount has increased more than 10 times already. This is a great result, and as you can see, the indicator is doing well so far. Let me continue. So as you can see here, we have the small ascending movement, and at the moment green candlesticks are formed on the chart. In this situation, I'm going to open a deal for an increase since the blue line goes up on the indicator. Also, as you can see, the upper price moves quite rapidly and preferably with green candlesticks. And although earlier the price moved down predominantly with red candlesticks, it did not make any rollbacks. And you can see the new price minimum is higher than the previous one. That is, all this suggests that the price has a potential for a growth here. And I think that in the near future, the price will continue to move up according to the intended upward movement. So let me see what will happen in the near future. Well, it's not bad at all. You can see the price got into the trading zone, but at the same time it was able to show a slight growth here. But let me continue. So my dear friends, I've noticed that most of you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel because it supports my channel, and I would really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel. So as you can see here, the price is moving along the downtrend, and at the moment red candlesticks are formed on the chart. In this situation, I'm going to open a deal for a decrease. Also, the sliding ones intersect on the indicator. Since there is still enough space left to the minimum point on the chart, the price mainly moves with red candlesticks and quite impulsively. That is, all this gives me an understanding that the price has a good potential for a decline. So let me see how this trade will close. Well, this is fine, friends. As you can see, at first the price moved indifferently, but then at the last seconds of the deal, it made an impulse down. That's here I got a confident plus, and also as you can see, 2 minutes in this situation was quite enough for me. So I propose to continue and find more trading situations. So here you can see that the price is moving along the rising trend while the blue line goes up in the indicator. In this situation, I'm going to open a deal for an increase since I think that the price will continue to move up. And also here I can see that the main price minimums on the chart are increasing, and also as you can see here at the price, there is a certain resistance zone, and I think that in the near future the price will finally break through it and continue to move up. And I think in the near future the price will finally break through it and continue to move up. Well, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price shows a slight increase, and here I managed to make money on this deal. Also, the indicator did not let me down and showed me a good entry point. You can see I already have 3,000 on my deposit, and I'm confidently approaching my trading goal. Let me continue. So here you can see that the price is moving along the rising trend, and from the support level it jumps up. In this situation, I'll open a deal for an increase since the blue line of the indicator goes up here, and I understand that the price has a potential for a growth here, and also there's still room for growth to the maximum point. And at the same time, the main price minimums are noticeably increasing, and also near the support level I saw a reaction. I can see that the price moves up predominantly with green candlesticks, so with a higher probability in the near future, the price will continue to move up according to the rising trend. So let me see how this deal will close. This is awesome, friends. You can see that the price moves according to my scenario and shows a good growth. That's here I got a very confident plus. Also, the indicator helped me earn again in this situation. So I'm going to continue and find more trading situations. So as you can see here at the bottom, we have a support level, and at the moment the price jumps up from this level. In this situation, I'm going to open a deal for an increase since the blue line also goes up on this indicator. That is, it indicates that the price has a potential for a growth. Also, as you can see earlier, the price has already hit this level several times, and there was always a reaction here. and the price showed a growth, and this time you can see that we saw a reaction near this level. So I think that it's most likely in the near future the price will continue to move up, and on such an increase I'll try and earn very good profit. Let me wait for the results. So I'm here to remind you to like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn your notification bells. This is awesome, friends. As you can see, the price shows a good growth, and thus here I got a very confident plus, and you can see the indicator did not let me down again and suggested a very good entry point. Thus here I have almost $10,000 on my deposit, so my trading goal for today has been fulfilled. I'll fix this profit and leave the market. So that was quite awesome. The situation today worked out quite well, and I got very good profit and hit my goal for today. You can do it as well. You just need to practice as much as possible. Within no time you'll be able to make very good profit on your own. You saw that using technical analysis in combination with the arrow indicator works really well, and I advise you to always carry out technical analysis first before you use the indicator signals. So if you have any questions concerning today's trades, or if you have any binary question, you can ask it in my private chat in Telegram channel. Go under this video, find the link to my personal chat, write me with the code word money team, and I'll add to this private chat. And don't forget to support my channel by liking the video. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe down below to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified when there's a new video up. So until next time, and good luck in your trades. Bye bye.